Folks, today I thought we'd take a little trip to Romania. I'm gonna do a 5-seat table for you in a Romanian style, right here on my take on Home and Garden. Okay guys, today we have in 100% cotton this incredible 70-inch diameter tablecloth made in India. It is a dandy. Now I've selected some flowers for our arrangement, of course. And today's inspiration will be complemented by our stainless flatware by Wallace. Some of the goodies that'll be on the table. Let's look at what we're using. A Bavarian reticulated plate to hold lemons. Even though we saw this, I have to use the lemon pitcher again. Made in Bavaria. And we have the sweetest lemonade glasses in the Wexford style by Anchor Hocking. We have some Noritake pieces called Ramona. This pattern is in the Forget-Me-Nots. Now we're keying off the silver rim plates, and those are made in Czechoslovakia, and they are called Wildflower. Look how gorgeous. Of course, that country's broke up and changed a couple of times since these were made. And we have a salad plate and a dinner plate. And we're going to put them on a brushed silver charger plate. Candle holders in the Wexford pattern by Anchor Hocking. And our beautiful English pitcher for the centerpiece. Our teapot today by Mark Roberts. Now I'm gonna have to supplement one dinner plate with this gorgeous made in Bavaria plate because of its style, and the rim is silver. It looks crazy like it won't work, but when that salad plate goes on, you'll be surprised. And there you go. Sometimes you have to cheat. If you're missing something, something broke, or you never had it at all. But we're gonna make it look good right now. Let's get started. Okay guys, here we go with our beautiful English pitcher. I thought a little summery mix that highlighted and amplified the colors that we have in the table already. Here's an ostrich fern to start. Then we have like a viburnum base. How about some wonderful iris in the blue? Still seeing iris here. And we're gonna stick with our lavender timothy. We'll go in the middle. We're gonna introduce a Scottish thistle for the first time this year. And we have the first dreamy and creamy sunflower to put in our bouquet today. So pretty. All right, and some anemone. Look at those colors. A single creamy, mellow, yellow rose. And then another highlight piece we'll need on the opposite side there. Not overdone, somewhat basic, but I think just gorgeous for this table today. Let's build our table. And as usual, I like to face the floral pattern all the same. This group is going up towards the center of the table like a bouquet would. Any dinner set that's pretty, when they're stacked or doubled up. And we're doing something different with our napkins today. I know a lot of people wouldn't choose these. Gotta be different, and gotta be reasonable with something that they might actually have there in Romania. It's hard enough for us to get everything, right? We want the candles balanced. And how cool that the candles holders match the glasses. We need a cream and sugar and a ladle. Let's check out our Romanian influence table today. The tablecloth, obviously European flavor. It's summer. We need lemons. We got lemons included for our tea. The bouquet looks like it was just picked out of anybody's garden. An old world teapot makes it taste even that much better. Vintage dinnerware. And beautiful, even though it comes from different places. We'll float some lemon slices, that's for sure. And our lemonade pitcher will keep it all cooled down. we're going to have a meaty red sauce to go over the cabbage rolls. You see how even the busiest linens get tamed down after you set your table. Be bold and reach out there and try a little more than you're used to. Make it fun. Make it happy. And take on all those compliments. So guys, tonight we're having a traditional Romanian dish called sremala. It's a beautiful, dense cabbage roll made with pork and rice and bacon, stuffed cabbage. Oh yes, and a melted cheese on top, nice and toasty. Then we'll have a dense vegetable salad, kind of like our chef salad here in the States. So enjoy. And when's the last time you had a nice stuffed cabbage? I might have to make that pretty soon. Take care, everybody. Give us a like, a share, a comment. Visit our store. Hit that thank you button. We appreciate everybody, all our wonderful fans, friends, and supporters. Have fun and enjoy your summer. Until the next over the top, awesome, incredible, amazing decorator and collector video. See you soon.